In this video, I'm going to give you my top tips for how to vlog on your phone. So let's get into the video. So when it comes to creating a vlog on your phone, you're going to really want to think about which camera you're using at which time. If you're addressing the camera, then fair enough, you might want to use the front-facing camera on your phone. But if you're filming something in front of you, don't use the front camera, use these rear cameras because these are going to give you a higher quality video. I'm pretty sure the max resolution on the forward-facing camera on the latest iPhone is only 720. It might be 1080, but it's still not a lot in the grand scheme of things when you compare that to the rear cameras, which are now shooting in 4K. So my first tip on how to shoot a vlog on your phone is to really think about when you're using the front-facing camera, and if you don't need to use it, use the rear cameras because you're going to get a higher quality video. Now, tip number 2 is to not look at yourself when you're filming your vlog. I'm currently looking at myself on the camera, and as you can tell, I'm not looking at you. I'm looking over here, and that looks really weird. So rather than looking at yourself, look at the lenses, and that way you're going to be talking to your audience. You're going to be looking at the camera, and it's not going to make the audience feel uncomfortable. So tip number 2 is to look at the lens rather than looking at yourself. Tip number 3 is to pay close attention to your audio. Audio is 50% of the job when it comes to making videos. You have audio and you have visual. There's no point having a great looking video with awesome transitions if the audio sounds terrible. So in order to improve the quality of your audio, you can get a wireless microphone that you can wear on yourself when you're filming. You can add a mini shotgun mic onto your phone. There's loads of different microphones that you can go ahead and purchase that are really going to help to improve the quality of your audio. So pay close attention to your audio and really try and capture the cleanest possible audio, and try to avoid using the inbuilt microphone on your phone. I know it's really convenient to just use the microphone from your phone, but the problem is it doesn't have the highest quality audio. So if you're looking for an easy way to improve the quality of your vlogs on your phone, just invest in a microphone, start using that microphone rather than the inbuilt phone microphone, and you're going to be a lot closer to a professional video. My next tip is a creative choice, and you don't have to do this in order to have a great vlog, but if you're doing something high energy and stylistic, then it might be nice to throw in a few creative video transitions. Now, I'll link to a video that I've done before explaining all of the different types of transitions that you can do, but to name a few, you could do the lens cover, so at the end of the first shot you could cover the lens, and at the start of the second shot you reveal, pull away from the lens, and you're going to have a nice transition. Alternatively, you can whip up at the end of the first shot and whip down at the start of the second shot, and it will look like you've transitioned from one shot to another by simply pulling up and pulling down. Of course, these transitions are definitely not a must, and if you're shooting a vlog that doesn't require any fancy transitions, then please don't use them because it will make the video feel really off. But if you are creating content that could require a little bit of extra something to really just add a bit of character into the videos, then adding creative video transitions is an easy way to do so. And now my last tip is editing. You don't need to use desktop software to edit your mobile vlogs. Of course you can, it will definitely make life a lot easier, but there are plenty of mobile video apps available for you to download. Now, if you're just getting into this, then you can maybe start with iMovie. That is an Apple download and it's super easy to use. But if you're looking for something that's going to give you titles, effects, color grading, and some awesome cutting of your videos, then you're going to want to download Adobe Rush, because Adobe Rush is going to give you all the professional features that Adobe Premiere has, but it's going to be on a mobile version of that software. And there you go. Those are my top 5 tips on how to step up the quality of your mobile vlogs. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And if you're subscribed, thank you ever so much, and I will see you on the next video. See you there.